In this video, I'm unboxing and taking a look at the AUKEY USB-C to USB-C charging and data cable. Hi, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I am taking a look at this AUKEY USB-C to USB-C extension cable, charge cable, data cable, whatever you want to say. I mean, it works for all of those. And I would just like to say, I would like to thank AUKEY for providing this to the channel to review as part of their Team Tech Key program. And again, thanks for them for sending us over. And I'm going to basically do an unboxing today and a quick review of what you get in the package and a quick test to see if it works charging my phone. I'm assuming it will, but we're going to take a look at it. So it is a 6.6 foot cable, so that comes in at 2 meters. And it's I got this in a black with kind of like a gray on the end with the logo. So if you can see that. It looks to be like an Apple-esque sort of box that it's shipped in. Has a little bit of shrink wrap there, so we'll open that up. And for those interested, the model number on this is CBCD6. It's made in China. I'm just going to open this up and take a look. As with everything, you get a user manual, basically just a couple pages here. So just a little bit on the specs. Cable length, like I said, 6.6 feet or 2 meters. It comes in at 2.6 ounces or 73 grams in weight. It's black and it's braided nylon, so I don't know if you can see that, but it's a really nice braided nylon cable. And it has a maximum data transfer speed of 480 megabytes per second. So that's that. Again, you get the AUKEY 24-month warranty, so 2-year warranty on this. They give you a bigger sticker in this one. Kind of cool. And then here's the actual the cable, right? What's nice I like about this is it gives you, it has an included little cable tie, little cable wrap tie on it, which is nice because usually I always have a problem and you can never wrap your cables up because I'll never have anything on me to do that. So it's nice that it's included. So nice and long. So it's black, has a little bit of a silvery gray, like almost a space gray, I would say, end piece, end cap to it there, part of the USB-C. What I like about this too is this is a high quality USB-C. I don't know if you can see, sometimes some of the cheaper ones look like they're a piece of crimped metal. This one is 360 degrees. So it goes all the way around, right? There's not a crimped piece in the middle there. So high quality USB-C plug on the end, I guess, basically. So we'll just do a quick test. I obviously think this is going to work. I'm also going to, I did another review of this a little bit prior. So this is the AUKEY 18-watt wall adapter. So I'm just going to plug that in and plug it in my Galaxy Note 9. Fast charging is enabled. Yeah. So again, feels like a very nice cable. Very strong. Now this could probably also be used to charge MacBook Pro, because I mean you could use it as a power cable for a MacBook, so that'd be nice too. And I'll have to test that out maybe separately to see if I have any issues with that, but I wouldn't imagine that I do, because I have been using a third-party MacBook Pro cable, because Apple charges a lot of money for just a 6-foot extension cable for the USB-C for their for the MacBook Pro 2018, 2017s. Anyways, so yeah, so long story short, this is seems to be a very nice cable, and I look forward to testing this out and using it a little bit more over the course of the next couple weeks. I will update this the context or the comments or the description of this review if I run into any issues, but to me this seems like a very well made cable, and I like braided nylon. It makes things much nicer than the rubber, basically, cheap rubber ones that you'll find, or plasticky silicone or whatever. So this seems like it's very well made, and like I said, comes with like the little Velcro thing with the AUKEY logo on it. So yeah, all in all, this looks like a very nice cable. So this is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching this quick first look and unboxing of the AUKEY USB-C to USB-C cable. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.